Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about some questions of exercise 9.4. In this exercise, we will find the solution of differential equation by variable separable method. Variable separable means variable को separate करेंगे. Suppose dy by dx first order derivative is in the form of fx into gy. Here x function and this is y function. These are in multiplication form. Then we can separate these. So we will take x on one side and y on other side. Y terms on one side and x terms on other side, and then we will do integration of these and then find the solution. So in this first question of exercise 9.4, dy by dx is equal to 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x is given, and we have to find out value of y. So we will do separate these. वेरिएबल्स को सेपरेट करेंगे. सो dx मल्टीप्लाई विद दिस फुल टर्म्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ x. सो dx मल्टीप्लाई विद दिस. सो dy इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस कोस एक्स अपॉन 1 प्लस कोस एक्स इंटू dx. देन इंटीग्रेटिंग ऑन बोथ साइड. It is dy integration. It means 1 integration is y. So it is 1 minus cos upon 1 plus cos into dx. We will take integration of this by solving it firstly. 1 minus cos x को हम लिख सकते हैं 2 sin square x by 2, because we know that the formula 1 minus cos 2 theta. This is 2 sin square theta. Here is 2 theta, then angle is theta here. If here is theta, it is theta by 2. So 1 minus cos x को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं 2 sin square x upon 2. And 1 plus cos x, it is 2 cos square x by 2. This is formula of 1 plus cos x. 2 cancel with 2. Sin square upon cos square, it is tangent square x by 2. And we know that integration of tangent square x by 2, we can find it by using identity. We know that secant square x minus 1 is equal to tangent square x. So tangent square x by 2 will be secant square x by 2 minus 1. So secant square x by 2 integration is tangent x by 2 upon x by 2 coefficient, x coefficient, it is 1 by 2. Minus 1 integration is x plus c. So y is equal to 2 will multiply with this, because it is 1 upon 2 in denominator. It will be 2 into tangent x by 2 minus x plus c. So it is solution of this differential equation. This is first order degree differential equation. So its solution is this. Now come to second question. dy by dx is equal to 4 minus y square root is given. Here function of y only. Clear? So we will take this in this side, first left hand side. dy और dx ऊपर होने चाहिए, तो dy को नीचे नहीं लाएंगे. We cannot write 1 upon dx is equal to 4 minus y square into upon dy. We cannot differentiate it, integrate it, sorry. इसको हम इंटीग्रेट नहीं कर सकते, तो dy और dx ऊपर ही होने चाहिए. सो वी विल टेक dy हियर, dx इधर आके क्या हो जाएगा मल्टीप्लाई, एंड 4 माइनस वाई स्क्वायर रूट विल गो इन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. इट विल डिवाइड इन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. सो इंटीग्रेटिंग ऑन बोथ साइड. सो वी कैन राइट 4 is 2 square minus y square dy. Here 1 integration x, and we know that it is in the form of a square minus x square. What is the integration of 1 upon a square minus x square root? It is sine inverse x upon a. Sine inverse x upon a plus c. So here sine inverse y, here variable is y. So y upon a is 2. Sine inverse y upon 2. 1 integration is x plus c. So this is answer. This is solution of this differential equation. Now look at question number 3. dy by dx plus y is equal to 1, and we have to find the solution of this. So we will take firstly y on right hand side. It is 1 minus y. Then we will separate dy and dx. So dy here 1 minus y will divide here, and dx multiply with this. So it is 1 upon y dy is equal to 1 dx. Now integrating on both side, then we will get 1 upon 1 minus y integration. Here 1 integration. 1 integration is x. We know that 1 integration is x plus c. And here 1 upon 1 minus y integration is log of 1 minus y, and coefficient of y is negative. So we will take minus 1 here. Clear? So it is log of 1 minus y upon minus 1. we can write this minus of log 1 minus y is equal to x plus c. So this is solution of this differential equation. Now going to take question number 4. Secant square x into tangent y dx plus secant square y tangent x dy is equal to 0. Firstly we will do separate these, क्योंकि एक तरफ dy को ले जाओ एक तरफ dx टर्म को. So we will take this on right hand side. Secant square y tangent x dy, it is negative. Now we will do separate the variables. Here is dx, तो dx के साथ कौन सी टर्म्स लानी है आपको? x टर्म्स. And here is dy, then we will take y terms on this side. Now it is secant square x dx. Here is tangent x will come here, it will be divide, and it is minus secant square y, tangent y इधर आके क्या हो जाएगा? Divide into dy. Clear? Now look at integration on both sides. Observe this. Tangent x derivative is secant square x. Here tangent y derivative is secant square y. So if we will take this as t, this will be dt. अगर इसको u let कर लेते हैं तो ये भी क्या आ जाएगा? du. So don't take t on tangent x as t and tangent y as t, because both variables are different. So you can take tangent x as t and tangent y as u. Now secant square dx x dx is equal to dt. Now this is dt and this is t. That means dt upon t. And same in right hand side, du upon u. Integration of 1 upon t is log t. Integration of 1 upon u is log u. Minus sign is here, so we will take negative minus u, minus log u. If both answers in the form of log, then we have to take log c here. c के प्लेस पर हम log c लेंगे. अगर आपके पास बाकी आंसर्स log की फॉर्म में आ रहे हैं तो इसको भी हम log c की फॉर्म में लेंगे. Now we will take log u in left hand side. It will be, firstly we will put the value of t and u here. Then we will take these two terms in left hand side. So it will be log of tangent x plus log tangent y is equal to log c. This one, log of tangent x plus log of tangent y is equal to log c. We know that log m plus log n, log m plus log n, इसको हम लिख सकते हैं log m into n, log m into n. So it is log tangent x into tangent y is equal to log c. So log here, log of this here, taking anti-log on both sides. So tangent x into tangent y it will be c. Log of something, अगर log of m log of n के इक्वल है तो हम m को n के इक्वल लिख सकते हैं. m is equal to n. So same here, log of this is equal to log of this. So this is equal to this. So tangent x into tangent y is equal to c. This is solution of this differential equation. Now come to question number 5. In this question, e raised to power x plus e raised to power minus x dy is equal to minus of e raised to power x minus e raised to power minus x dx is equal to 0. Firstly, we will separate dy and dx. Clear? dy इधर ले लेंगे, dx को right hand side में ले लेते हैं. So it will be plus, minus sign is here, so plus here. So it is ex minus e raised to power minus x dx. Now this is also term of x, so we will take in right hand side in with dx. So e raised to power x minus e raised to power minus x, it is numerator, it will divide. तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? Denominator. Now integration on both side, y dy integration is y, and here e raised to power x minus e raised to power minus x upon this. Observe this, if we will take this as t, this will be dt. अगर हम नीचे वाले को t ले रहे हैं तो ऊपर वाला क्या बन रहा है? dt. So e raised to power x plus e raised to power minus x is t. तो ex का डेरिवेटिव क्या आएगा? ex. और e raised to power minus x डेरिवेटिव is e raised to power minus x into minus 1 dx is equal to dt. So it is e raised to power x minus of e raised to power minus x dx is equal to dt. So this will be dt. ये क्या बन जाएगा आपका? dt. और नीचे क्या है? t. So what is the integration of 1 by t? It is log t. Then y is equal to log t plus c. And t की वैल्यू आपके पास क्या है? e raised to power x plus e raised to power minus x plus c. It is e raised to power log of e raised to power x plus e raised to power minus x. This is the value of t. Put here, and answer is y is equal to log of e raised to power x plus e raised to power minus x plus c. Now come to question number 8. 6 and 7 you will do. These are easy questions. So 8th question, x raised to power 5 dy by dx is equal to minus y raised to power 5. So same, we will separate the variables. dy y पावर 5 को नीचे लाएंगे और x पावर 5 को dx के नीचे लाएंगे. Firstly we will take dx on this side, x power 5 will divide with this and y power 5 will be here. Now we can integrate on both side, integration on both side. So minus of y raised to power minus 5 dy is equal to x raised to power minus 5 dx. Now integration, it is y raised to power minus 5 plus 1 upon minus 5 plus 1 and its integration is x power minus 5 plus 1 upon minus 5 plus 1 because it is x raised to power n. Integration of x raised to power n is x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Same here. So it is minus y raised to power minus 5 plus 1 minus 4 and denominator is also minus 5 plus 1 minus 4. Same here. Then we can take minus 4 LCM. It will be minus y raised to power minus 4 is equal to x raised to power minus 4 minus 4c. और माइनस 4c को हम कांस्टेंट इसको इधर लेके आएंगे और इसको इधर लेके जाएंगे. सो इट इज x रेज टू पावर माइनस 4 प्लस y रेज टू पावर माइनस 4 इज इक्वल टू 4c. 4c को हम कांस्टेंट लिख सकते हैं, एनी कांस्टेंट. सो आंसर इज x रेज टू पावर माइनस 4 प्लस y रेज टू पावर माइनस 4 इज इक्वल टू k. सो दिस इज सोल्यूशन ऑफ दिस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. Now look at question number 9. This is dy by dx is equal to sine inverse x. We can separate these variable separable. dx को इधर आके मल्टीप्लाई कर दे. So dy is equal to sine inverse x into dx. Integration on both side. So one integration is y. 1 into dy is integration is y. Sine inverse x का integration by parts करेंगे. Integration by parts into 1 लेकर. So sin inverse x as it is 1 integration minus derivative of sin inverse x into 1 integration then whole integration. जो ये आएगा उसका पूरे का integration. So sin inverse x as it is 1 integration is x minus derivative of sin inverse x is 1 upon 1 minus x square square root. Sin inverse x derivative is 1 minus x square square root and 1 integration is x here into dx. Then it is x into sine inverse x and here is x upon 1 minus x square square root dx. Look at this. This is derivative of this one. अगर 1 minus x square को t लेट कर लेते हैं तो डेरिवेटिव किसकी फॉर्म में आएगा? x की फॉर्म में. So 1 minus x square को t लेट करेंगे. So its derivative is 0 and x square derivative is 2x. So it is minus 2x dx is equal to dt. So we need only x dx. तो x dx की वैल्यू आ जाएगी minus dt upon 2. Put here it is minus dt by 2, x dx is minus dt upon 2 and it is root t because 1 minus x square as t, it is square root of 1 minus x square, so it is root t. Minus into minus plus, it is 1 by 2 t square root को हम ऊपर जाके क्या लिख सकते हैं? t power minus 1 by 2. Now integration of this is t power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 1 by 2 plus 1. It is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 cancel with 1 by 2. So answer is x sine inverse x plus t power 1 by 2 and t is, what is t here? 1 minus x square. Put the value here 1 minus x square plus c. So answer is this x sine inverse plus 1 minus x square square root plus c. It is y. So this is solution of the given differential equation. This differential equation solution is this one. Clear? Now come to next question. Now look at question number 11. This is x square. We have to find the particular solution satisfying the given condition. आपको कह रहा है कि इस क्वेश्चन में आपको particular solution निकालना है. Particular solution means at in last you will get c. आपको c की वैल्यू निकालनी है by putting these. आपको कह रहा है particular solution निकालना है when x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. So firstly we will solve this and then we will put the value of c. So look at this question. It is x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 into dy by dx is equal to 2x square plus x. Firstly we will separate the variables. dy को यहीं रहने तो dx उधर जाके मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा and this will divide. So it is 2x square plus x upon x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. It is divide. Now 2x square plus x as it is, we can make the factors of these. we can take x square common from first two and 1 common from last two. So it is x square into x plus 1 plus x square common निकालेंगे तो यहाँ क्या बचेगा x plus 1 plus 1 into x plus 1. Nothing is common from these, so we will take 1 common. So x plus 1 in both the terms we can take common. It is x square plus 1. So factors of denominator is this. And then we will do this question by partial fraction. 2x square plus integration on both sides. So we will do integration this by partial fraction. Firstly we will one integration is y and we will take this separate and we will do by partial fraction. So 2x square plus x upon x plus 1 into x square plus 1 को हम लिख सकते हैं a upon x plus 1 plus bx plus c upon x square plus 1. This is quadratic. So we will write here bx plus c. Numerator में आपको linear लिखना होगा. Now take LCM. It is a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x plus 1. Denominator is same. So numerator also same. We have to find out ABC. हमें ABC की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. So how we will find ABC वैल्यू? By putting values of x और comparing the coefficient. या तो आप coefficient को compare करके निकालेंगे या फिर आपको वैल्यू पुट करनी होगी. सो फर्स्टली आई एम पुटिंग x इज इक्वल टू -1 बाई शोइंग दिस 0. अगर इसको 0 बनाना है x प्लस 1 0 चाहिए तो x की वैल्यू क्या पुट करनी पड़ेगी -1. सो आई एम पुटिंग x वैल्यू इज -1 ऑन बोथ साइड. सो इट इज 2 इंटू -1 स्क्वायर प्लस -1 a इंटू -1 स्क्वायर प्लस 1 प्लस b इंटू -1 प्लस c इंटू -1 प्लस 1. क्लियर? इट इज 0. So it is minus 0 into something 0. It is a into -1 square is 1, 1 plus 1 2. So 2a is equal to, it is 2 minus 1 because it is 1 minus 1 square is 1. 1 into 2 2. 2 minus 1 1. Clear? So 2a is equal to 1. तो a क्या आ जाएगा 1 by 2. a value is 1 by 2. If we will show this 0, x square plus 1 को अगर हम 0 बनाना चाहते हैं तो x square आ जाएगा -1. बट दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर एनी रियल नंबर. तो हम अपनी तरफ से x की कोई भी वैल्यू ले सकते हैं. आई एम पुटिंग x इज इक्वल टू 0 ऑन बोथ साइड. यू कैन पुट -1 2 3 एनीथिंग. सो पुटिंग x इज इक्वल टू 0 ऑन बोथ साइड ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन. सो 2 इंटू 0 स्क्वेयर प्लस 0, a इंटू 0 स्क्वेयर प्लस 1, b into 0 plus c 0 plus 1. So by putting these we will get equation a plus c is equal to 0. a plus c is equal to 0. But we know the value of a. Put the value of a here and then we will get c. a plus c is equal to 0. If a is 1 by 2 plus c is equal to 0, then a plus c is equal to 0. a value is 1 by 2 plus c is equal to 0. c की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी -1 by 2. c वैल्यू इज -1 by 2. नाउ a इज 1 by 2, c इज -1 by 2. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट b वैल्यू. तो आप अपनी तरफ से कोई भी एक वैल्यू पुट कर सकते हैं. सो पुटिंग x इज इक्वल टू 1 ऑन बोथ साइड बिकॉज वी हैव पुट हियर 0 एंड -1. अब 1 पुट कर सकते हैं. सो x के प्लेस पर 1 पुट करेंगे फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में तो आपके पास b की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. b विल बी 3 by 2. इट इज इक्वेशन 2a plus 2b plus 2c is equal to 3. Put the value of a here and c here, then we will get b value. b value is 3 by 2. Now 2x square plus x upon x plus 1 into x square plus 1 को हम लिख सकते हैं 1 by 2 upon x plus 1 plus 3 by 2 x minus 1 by 2. It is bx plus c upon x square plus 1. Now what is the integration of this? Its integration is 1 by 2 log of x plus 1. 1 upon x plus 1 integration is log of x plus 1. Plus we can take common 1 by 2 from both. इन दोनों में से common ले सकते हैं 1 by 2. So it is x minus 1 और we can separate these. अगर हम इनको separate करते हैं it is 3 by 2 x upon x square plus 1 and it is minus 1 by 2 upon x square plus 1 dx. Okay, so it is 1 by 2 log x plus 1 plus 3 by 2. If we will put this as t, then x dx will be dt upon 2. अगर हम इसको t लेट करते हैं x square plus 1 को अगर हम t लेट करते हैं then 2x dx will be dt. 2x dx will be dt. तो x dx क्या आ जाएगा, dt upon 2. So it is dt upon 2, okay, and it is t minus 1 by 2. Integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square is tangent inverse x. Its integration is tangent inverse x. Then we will get half of log x plus 1 plus 3 upon 4. Its integration is log t minus 1 by 2 tangent inverse x plus c. So we will get half of log x plus 1 plus 3 upon 4. T value is, what is the value of t here? X square plus 1. This value is x square plus 1 minus of 1 by 2 tangent inverse x plus c. This one. This is the value of this. But this is equal to y. Here this is equal to y. In this is equal to y. Y value is this. Then what is y here? We will put at the place of this. Y is equal to, its value we have got, this value is 1 by 2 log of x plus 1 plus 3 by 4 log x square plus 1 minus 1 by 2 tangent inverse x plus c. So this is answer. This is solution of this question, this differential equation. But in this question we have to find out particular solution. This is general solution. This is y is equal to, in this we got y is equal to this plus c. For finding particular solution we have to put the value of c in this. तो आपको जनरल पर्टिकुलर सोल्यूशन के लिए x given है 0 and y is equal to 1. In this question x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. For this particular point we will find c. So if x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1, put in this equation. So y की वैल्यू 1, half of log 0 plus 1 plus 3 upon 4 log of 0 square plus 1. It is 1 minus 1 upon 2 tangent inverse 1 plus c. It is 1 and log of 0 plus 1, it is log 1. Log 1 की वैल्यू 0 होती है, so it is half into 0. Plus 3 by 4, log 1 is also 0, it is 0. Minus 1 by 2, tangent inverse होता है आपके पास pi by 4. Tangent inverse 1 is pi by 4 plus c. So it is 1 is equal to 0 plus 0 minus pi by 8 plus c. तो c आपके पास क्या आ जाएगा? What is c? 1 plus pi by 8. That means pi by 8 plus 1. c की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी? pi by 8 plus 1. Then we will put c value here and then we will get the particular solution. क्योंकि हमने arbitrary constant को remove कर दिया तो ये क्या आ जाएगा आपके पास? particular solution. Clear? In this way you can do more questions of this exercise.